everyone, just thought I'd make a video of the Littleton ceiling fan because I managed to fix the noise issue that it has. So let me just turn it on. It has a startup sound, I don't know if you guys know it. On high. It wobbles a little bit, but it's fine. This is low. It doesn't make any sound. Yeah, I just thought I'd make a video of that because I'm gonna replace this fan right here, and I'm gonna add the Hunter Summit to see if it's any better. Because older fans are usually better, but I'll give this one a try. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching.